Manufacturing systems shape how products are designed, built, delivered, and trusted every day. From production lines and quality control to supply chain coordination, logistics, and plant operations, manufacturers play a critical role in keeping industries moving. Behind these outcomes are teams responsible for developing, operating, and maintaining the systems that make it all work. For these teams to succeed, they must be aligned, agile, and focus on a shared operational mission. CDW helps manufacturing organizations design and operate these systems through our SmartLab for manufacturing. Operations perform better when technology, engineering, and production teams come together with a shared purpose. When frontline teams understand the why behind the systems and how processes, decisions, and key technologies are interconnected. And when they participate in what many manufacturing organizations have called the aha moment that reshapes how products and value are created, built, and delivered to their markets. This one-day, hands-on experience sparks new ideas, helps teams work better together, and gets leaders aligned to improve throughput, reduce downtime, strengthen quality, and build more resilient supply chains. Reach out to us today to schedule a SmartLab for your manufacturing organization.